The cable stitch is a cross between the stem stitch and the outline stitch. Come out from a point. Move the thread to the right to come back up from the stitch line. Go in a little ahead, move the thread to the left and come back up from the earlier stitch point. Continue this process by alternating the thread to the right and left. This creates a line that throws out a bricked effect. This is a beautiful stitch if you want to make thicker lines or even create fillings by placing the lines adjacent to each other. Let me know if you like this stitch. Don't forget to check out our bookstore with hand embroidery ebooks for learners of various skills from the link in the description. Thank you for watching.